Well, while we are dealing with more clouds moving into the south northern valley, we've had some more sunshine and more blue sky hanging around a little bit longer. This is our view in Grand Forks looking toward that northerly direction. And you can see a little bit of blue even as clouds have been moving in a little bit and a little bit more bright conditions there too with some sunshine. It's been cold though. Here's a look at our low temperatures we've had today. We're in the 30s in some places for our morning lows. On this map, our lowest numbers are Cavalier, Hallock at 33 below, but there were some places measuring sites around the valley that got down to 35 below in the Warren area, Minnesota. So it's been cold, certainly here in the valley. It's been a while since we've seen these numbers. 30 below in Monoman and 31 below in Fosston, and we saw 26 below in Fargo and 29 below in Grand Forks. So we've recovered from that, but we're still below zero. We are at 12 below in Fargo, Grand Forks, same number, teens below for more of us in the north, and some single digits below zero right now for many of us in the south. Our mildest number right now, at least in the Red River Valley, is 2 below, and Fergus Falls, Sisseton is at 4 above. And a quick look at our wind chills. In the Southern Valley, we've had less wind, so it's not as much of a factor here as we continue on into the afternoon. But Northern Valley, you can see there are areas where wind chills are into the 30s below. We still have a 41 below wind chill in Candu, and in Devil's Lake, 39 below. Also down into the Cooperstown area, 39 below. It's kind of hiding behind our banner there, but that's Cooperstown. We're looking at 31 below in Grand Forks and 39 below again in Thief River Falls. That's the area that dropped to 51 below for our wind chill earlier this morning, so it's been rough. Here's a look at the latest radar and satellite map. Again, our visible satellite showing those clouds spreading in the lighter gray colors. And then we've got some areas of light blue trying to push into the valley with this little wave here that's been moving through South Dakota. And this is going to approach our southern counties here as we head into the afternoon. I'm not expecting much for snow, but don't be surprised if you see a few flakes of that. And in fact, I'm seeing a couple of hints at that where our visibility is at 8 miles instead of that peak of 10 we want to see down in the Gwinner area, 9 in the Oaks area. But more likely we're experiencing this down into South Dakota, where we've got 1.25 miles in Aberdeen. Again, that's hiding behind our banner there, but again, we are looking at some lower visibility in those places where we might be getting some snow. But today, it's mainly a break from the active weather. You can see we've got some areas of cloud cover in the Southern Valley, most likely there through the afternoon and evening. We may get a break in those clouds and then see more move in as we head into tonight, but temperatures are really going to struggle. So we're looking at some numbers in the single digits for highs below zero in the south, and then north, still many of us in the teens below heading into this evening. Now, this is 11 o'clock. You can see we have some clearing going on in some spots, other places where we have a little bit of cloud cover hanging on. A reminder, these pink numbers, when we show them, that means the wind chill. And we're looking at those getting into the 30s and 40s below yet again. So a cold night ahead. Perhaps not as frigid down in the south if we can keep those clouds around, but still below zero. And then we see our next round of snow approaching. This is 4 a.m. Starting to see those clouds roll in, and then the potential for some scattered snow showers. This is 8 a.m. So it's unfortunately looking to time out right around that morning commute, and that continues to roll to the east as the day goes on. You can expect to have the potential for some light snow even into the noon hour this time tomorrow in our eastern counties, and then it quickly clears out. So a light coating with that. And temperatures not as chilly. We will still be cold, but there will be some places in the east perhaps that get above zero. Most of us in that sub-zero range yet again tomorrow. Snowfall potential with this round, less than an inch of snow. We're looking at conditions that are going to be on the cold side. Through the next 7 days, we've got temperatures that will be, at least the next 5 days, below zero through Sunday morning. So we have first alert weather days for that forecast, with our coldest night perhaps being New Year's Eve night and into early morning on New Year's Day. So conditions are going to be tough over into the next part of next week. Still running below average, but at least we see some positive numbers.
Boy, that looks cold.
Yes.
I will tell you though, some of our team who's from out of state has found heated jackets, heated gloves, heated hat. You can buy all this stuff online. It's amazing.
Well, I think I might have to try that out. I've never heard of a heated coat, but that seems like a great idea.
Sounds wonderful. Thanks so much, Lisa.